This is Regine.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog.
And today she's doing something new. She's 19, a true YOLO girl. Always up for an adventure. No questions asked. If there's a trip, she's in. Always. And right now, she's at Nalalata Falls. Wow, what an amazing view. This is what her province life looks like. Simple, wild, free. While others are stuck in the city heat, she's out here, swimming in cold mountain water, breathing fresh air, and living her soft life, one adventure at a time.